Hello children, welcome you all to the maths class. I am Divya Vibbi, your maths teacher. This is a continuation of the last class. In the last class we have already discussed profit and loss. Profit and loss is very much related to our life. So we can discuss some life related questions today. Okay, see, we can read the question. Saroj bought 100 oranges for 200 rupees and sold it for 230 rupees. Find the profit or loss. So, Saroj bought 100 oranges for 200 rupees. That means cost price is 200 and he sold it for 230 rupees. So, selling price is 230. Cost price means the buying price. Saroj bought the oranges for 200 rupees. So, that is the cost price and he sold it for 230. So, that is the selling price. Here, look, selling price is greater than the cost price. When selling price is greater than cost price, that is profit. So, profit equal to selling price minus cost price. What is profit? Selling price minus cost price. So, when we subtract 230 minus 200, what we will get? 230 minus 200 is 30. So, the profit is 30 rupees. All of you understand? Next we can discuss another example. A dealer of electronic goods bought a television for 8,000 rupees and sold it for 9,900 rupees. Find the profit or loss. The dealer bought the television for how much rupees? 8,000 rupees and he sold it for 9,900 rupees. So, which price is big? Selling price is big. What is the cost price? The cost price is 8,000. What is the selling price? 9,900. So, here profit or loss? See, selling price is greater than cost price. So, it is profit. When selling price is greater than cost price, it is profit. So, when SP greater than CP, it is profit. What is meant by SP? Selling price. What is meant by CP? Cost price. When SP greater than CP, it is profit. Profit, how to find profit? To find profit, we want to subtract cost price from selling price. To find profit, we want to subtract cost price from selling price. So, what is selling price? 9,900 and what is cost price? 8,000. So, 9,900 minus 8,000. What will get? 9,900 minus 8,000 is 1,900. So, 1,900 is the profit. Okay, we can discuss next question. A cycle was bought for rupees 440 and sold for rupees 410. Find the profit or loss. So, what is the cost price here? A cycle was bought for 440. That means cost price is 440. And what is the selling price? He sold it for 410. So, it is the selling price. So, cost price is 440 and selling price is 410. Here, CP greater than SP. So, here loss or profit? Cost price is greater. When cost price is greater, that time it is loss. When cost price is greater than selling price, it is loss. So, when cost price is greater than selling price, it is loss. How to find loss? Cost price minus selling price. How to find loss? Cost price minus selling price. What is the cost price? 440. And what is the selling price? 410. When 440 minus 410, it is 30 rupees. The loss amount is 30 rupees. All of you understood? Okay children, now we can discuss overhead charges. Overhead charges include transportation charge, repairing charge, labor charge, like that. Okay, you can think a situation. A shopkeeper buy a pack of biscuits from a wholesale dealer for 500 rupees and to take that to his shop he spent 100 rupees. So, how much money he spent? 500 plus 100, that is 600 rupees. That is his total cost price. So the total cost price means cost price of the goods plus overhead charges. Okay. So what is the total cost price? Cost price plus overhead charges. What is the total cost price? Cost price plus overhead charges. Okay, we can do one example. A cycle was bought for rupees 440 and sold for rupees 410. Find the profit or loss. Cost price equal to 440 and selling price equal to 410. Here CP greater than SP, therefore it is loss. So when the cost price is greater than selling price, it is loss. When the cost price is greater than selling price, it is loss. So loss means cost price minus selling price. What is loss? Loss means cost price minus selling price. Here cost price is 440 and selling price is 410. 440 minus 410 is rupees 30. Okay, next question. A dealer of electronic goods bought a television for rupees 8,000 and sold it for rupees 9,900. Find the profit or loss. So, read the question one more time. A dealer of electronic goods bought a television for rupees 8,000. That means cost price is 8,000. What is the cost price? 8,000. And sold it for 9,900. So, what is the selling price? 9,900. What is the selling price? 9,900. Find the profit or loss. Cost price equal to 8,000. Selling price equal to 9,900. So, selling here see selling price is greater than cost price. So, it is profit. Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. What is profit? Selling price minus cost price. So, from 9,900 we want to subtract 8,000. When you subtract 8,000 from 9,900, you will get 1,900. So, what is the profit here? 1,900. Is it clear to you? Okay, we can do next question. Sonu bought an old bicycle for rupees 400. He spent 150 rupees to get it repaired. He then sold it for rupees 750. Find the profit or loss. So, read the question one more time. Sonu bought an old bicycle for 400 rupees. So, cost price is 400. And what he did? He spent 150 rupees to repair it. So, what is the total cost price? Cost price plus overhead charges. So, here cost price is 400, overhead charges is 150. So, total cost price equal to 400 plus 150. What is the total cost price? 400 plus 150. So, total cost price is 550. Now, what is the selling price? He sold it for 750 rupees. So, that is the selling price. So, selling price is 750. Here, see, selling price is 750 and cost price is 550. So, which is big? Selling price is big. When selling price is big, it is profit. When selling price is bigger than cost price, it is profit. So, profit equal to selling price minus cost price. What is profit? Selling price minus cost price. 750 minus 550. When you subtract 550 from 750, you will get 200. So, profit is 200. Okay, look, next question. Balan bought a music system for rupees 7,500. He did not like it and sold it for rupees 6,995. Did he make a profit or loss? How much? Balan bought a music system for 7,500. It means its cost price is 7,500 and he sold it for 6,995. It means selling price is 6,995. Look here, which is big? Cost price is big. So it is loss. So loss, when cost price is bigger than selling price, it is loss. When cost price is bigger than selling price, it is loss. So how to find loss? Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. When we subtract 6,995 from 7,500, you will get 505. So 505 rupees is the loss. Okay, look at the next question. Peter bought a plot of land for 75,000 rupees. He spent 35,000 on building a wall around the plot. He then sold the land for rupees 1,50,000 rupees. Find the profit or loss. Read the question one more time. Peter bought a plot of land for 75,000. So, what is the cost price of the land? 75,000 rupees. And he spent 35,000 on building a wall around the plot. That is the overhead charges. So, to find the total cost price, we want to add the overhead charges with the cost price. So, what is the total cost price? Cost price plus overheads. So, 75,000 plus 35,000. So, what is the total cost price? 1,10,000. What is the total cost price? 1,10,000. And he sold it for 1,50,000 rupees. So, that is the selling price. What is the selling price? 1,50,000 rupees. Here, profit or loss? See, selling price is greater than cost price. So, it is profit. Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. 1,50,000 minus 1,10,000, that is 40,000. When we subtract 1,10,000 from 1,50,000, we will get 40,000. So 40,000 is the profit. Is it clear to you? Okay, I hope all of you understood. See you in next class. Bye.